So whether you're looking to lose 20 pounds or you're looking to lose 100 pounds, Idle Protein may be the perfect protocol for you. Idle Protein is a doctor-designed protocol out of Canada, and we have been fortunate enough to partner with this protocol for 15 years. Over my time at Nutrition World as co-owner with my father Ed, I have probably seen 1,000 different clients for this protocol. So this protocol will be a scientific-based coached program that you are going to learn what foods to eat, what foods to not eat, and you will know exactly how to go about your day. The ideal goal will be between 1 and 3 pounds of weight loss a week. With this, we are going to teach you with recipes. We'll check you in on our body fat machine, check your hydration, your muscle mass, your weight every single week. You have a coach that will hold you accountable. And as we get you to this place of weight loss, we're then going to start this stabilization phase that's going to help you maintain your weight loss for as long as you choose. This system is unheard of. I've never truly seen a system that has really reached as many people with success as this has. So if you are someone that is trying to figure out how to get those stubborn pounds off, or you're someone that's looking at above 20, 40, 50 pounds, this is a proven scientific method, and we are ready to help you at Nutrition World.